Good morning, Doctor. Today I would like to present our sustainable building, which is the Sustainable Museum. My group is Group 17, and the team member consists of me, ZHEN, Izzat, and one RAHMAN. First, I would like to introduce my project. Briefly, is the awareness of sustainable practice should be responsible must be held by each citizen to minimize any potential environment impact in Malaysia. The potential to convert the existing museum to a sustainable museum concept is huge, and it needs to be explored deeply by the stakeholder even in a new construction. Next, let's move to one important question: where is why need green museum? They have four main reasons: high energy consumption and carbon footprint, extremely efficient high transfer, lack of interest, and poor waste management. So, the action technique to be carried out is the right issue to contemporary sustainable practice. There are four aspects that can be combined for traditional museum and green museum, which is environment impact, sustainable initiative, design and construction, and operational practice. For the important aspect that need to be detailed in order to react for sustainable purpose according to this, we have indicated the representation in the following part. First, energy efficiency. There are few examples that reflect the effort to achieve this aspect. The first thing in this aspect according to the climate change, the adoption, sounding device, and avoiding the line reflecting material is the sustainable example that can be implemented in order to minimize the emission of greenhouse gas. Then, for the water quality, thing can be presented by rainwater harvesting system, which can be reduced water usage by around 30%. The theme of the ecosystem is also reflected by the creation of green zone. Next, the term of waste generation and management can be achieved by adoption of green roof and recycle material adoption in the construction. Exploratorium same principle can be presented in terms of cultural heritage due to them educating visitors about the reality of climate change. After that, energy use is the most important field in this aspect, which can be used the LED technology with motion sensor to achieve the energy efficiency. Moreover, let's move to indoor environment quality aspect. Vertical ventilation and filtration of indoor air are among the best practices for improving indoor environment quality in green construction. First, the term of indoor air quality is the most important part to indicate this aspect. Adoption of solar panel and passive design concept are the critical concept can be used as the effort in this term. Even a sustainable museum can be designed and created. Then, cultural heritage also is the term can be indicate this aspect, which can be referred to California Academy of Science, which indicates visitors about the relationship between human and natural world. Next, maximum daylight and sustainable LED lighting system and green roof adoption can be set 10% of the energy consumption. It is react to the theme of energy use. That is all for me. Now I will turn my presentation to my member, which is one RAHMAN, to continue the following part.
Assalamualaikum, very good day today. My name is RAHMAN. So today I'm going to present about the water efficiency, the material resources, and sustainable planning. So first of all, according to the feeding under the water quality themes, also we can incorporate it into our museum, which is by example of water recycling and rainwater harvesting. First of all, the water recycling. The example is the use of water recycling method by the Museum of Tomorrow, where the building interior temperature is managed by a system which uses of water from the neighboring bay. The walls and ceiling filled with a system of pipes that are used to pump the water. The water cool down area by absorbing the heat from the inside as it passes through the pipes. Surrounding water can be cooled and as it returns to the bay. This will lessen the energy required to cool the museum, which helps to lessen its carbon footprint. In material and resources, we have to look into various materials such as wood, metal, concrete, plastic, carbon, and office supply. This will foster the sustainability by restoring the surrounding area to their natural state. For example, it is to replanting the vegetation that will ensure the project contribute to the conservation. By managing the waste and participating in ecological restoration, it will aims to be both sustainable and environmentally responsible, according to the sustainable building practices. So, the example of California Academy of Sciences, they reuse the recycled material, which is use the insulation composed of the recycled blue jeans. They provide an organic substitute for the formaldehyde containing material. This insulation is better than fiberglass in absorbing the sun and retain heat. It will also be safer for the installer compared to others conventional insulation. And after that, the sustainable resources material. For example, the Boston Children's Museum, they use the low volatile organic compound, which is the VOC material. This will provide the environmental responsibility and enhance the indoor air quality by reducing the potential harmful gases, and also source 55% of the construction material from location within the 500 miles of Boston, which is the construction site, and minimizing the environmental impact associated with transportation. This will demonstrate a commitment to eco-friendly construction practices. By implementing the point of this into our museum, we can actually reducing the cost and the amount of air quality that can be improved is actually a lot. Sustainable site planning and management. This is a very critical aspect as it will reduce our environmental impact by using the sustainable material, by implementing energy efficient system and reducing the waste. Involving the use of renewable energy sources such as solar panel for museum operation. This can reduce the amount of carbon footprint. The museum design can be implemented into our museum. For example, such as the Art Science Museum can be used as an example that then use the sustainable features of the museum, which is the natural daylight, the illuminating the interior, as well as the seamless integration of rainwater harvesting system into the building. For example, they collect the water through the rain occurs at the Art Science Museum, and is reused in other areas such as landscape. The museum features include energy saving initiatives such as use of LED and programmable lighting system, enable the museum to reduce their energy and be more energy efficient than similarly building. So this can be implemented into our museum as it will provide a natural daylight and also be a rainwater harvesting system that can be integrated together. California Academy of Sciences, they also use the greenery and roof application into their museum that can be implemented into our museum as well, as they use the green roof that capture stormwater and reduce energy consumption through insulation and convert carbon dioxide into oxygen from the plants. So they adopt with the solar panel generate electricity for the building and as well hosting the millions of plants in, and it serves as a habitat for the wildlife while also showing the museum commitment to sustainability. So by using this roof application of living roof into our museum, we can actually reduce the amount of cost and also providing more fresh air quality to the museum. Collect the water through the rain occurs at the Art Science Museum and is reused in other areas such as landscape. The museum features include energy saving initiatives such as use of LED and programmable lighting system, enable the museum to reduce their energy and be more energy efficient than similarly building. So this can be implemented into our museum as it will provide a natural daylight and also be a rainwater harvesting system that can be integrated together. California Academy of Sciences, they also use the greenery and roof application into their museum that can be implemented into our museum as well, as they use the green roof that capture stormwater and reduce energy consumption through insulation and convert carbon dioxide into oxygen from the plants. So they adopt with the solar panel generate electricity for the building and as well hosting the millions of plants in, and it serves as a habitat for the wildlife while also showing the museum commitment to sustainability. So by using this roof application of living roof into our museum, we can actually reduce the amount of cost and also providing more fresh air quality to the museum.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Izzat and I will discuss the concept of innovation within our museum. So, our museum innovation consists of light tube. A light tube is a structure designed to transmit or distribute natural light for the purpose of illumination or functioning as a daylight lamp. However, additional artificial light is necessary in the event of sunlight lack. Next, we will discuss air conditioners, which are known for their high energy consumption. Possibly, solar air conditioner are being introduced as a solution to tackle this problem. The air conditioner will be linked to a solar panel and an inverter, which will determine whether the air conditioner operates solely on solar panel or a combination of solar panel and grid power.
Next, I will present about the cost comparison analysis. If the museum uses the LED lighting system compared with the halogen, the energy consumption in 1 year for LED are less than the halogen. The annual energy costs for LED are less than halogen. The life expectancy for LED are more than halogen. Despite the material cost for LED is higher than halogen, but the total material cost and labor cost of over 35 years, LED are less than the halogen. The total monetary saving for 35 years include energy, material, labor for the LED is 382,130 ringgit. Next, for the rainwater harvesting system, museum can save 330,000 litres per year. In spite of the cost for the installation and maintenance for the rainwater harvesting system is high, but the subsequent long-term expense are lower than non-rainwater harvesting system. The total monetary saving for 50 years for rainwater harvesting system can save 386,897 ringgit. In summary, the integration of sustainable practice in both the construction and operation of museum hold profound significance. This necessitated a transformative shift in capacity, emphasizing efficient resource management and a readiness to adopt innovative solutions. They seamlessly blend the preservation and display of historical or cultural artifacts with contemporary sustainable approaches. This assignment underscores the environmental impact of museum and advocate for the incorporation of energy efficient strategy and eco-friendly material in construction. Despite initial costs related to sustainable is high, but the subsequent long-term operational and maintenance expense are lower than conventional methods. Thank you.